made me.
Listen to me. Learn from me. I wasn't the best because I killed quickly. I was the best because the crowd loved me. The crowd. And you'll win your freedom. I will win the crowd.
Automatic.
I will give them something they've never seen before.
Love. I don't play games, homie, I ain't got time. Especially when I do this for my homies that ain't got time. I'ma do this for the city, every hotline. Go to every block, every hood, every corner, every stop sign. I just wanna get it for the days that I was living in the hood. Wait a minute, I don't even know if you could call it living. Pay attention, cause at any given minute you be chilling with your niggas and be witness to a killing. Hold up. Grew up on the north side nigga to the fullest. I was quicker than the bullets that was going past the window. It's all another, so I'm coming for the crown. What the fuck you think I'm here for? Made no mistake about it. Fake shit I can't allow it. Trapped in this game, now I can't get out it. You want that real shit and I feel the same about it. I was in the trenches just like you, wondering how the fuck I'm at the room. I don't have a plan, but I know one thing. Gotta get up out this motherfucker and I can't lose. Eyes on the prize and I know I can't quit. Never gon' fail, so I'm on my shit. Gotta keep going and I can't look back. Took on the world, now it's on my
Cause I can't do more than stop. Regardless, I'm off the wall, just off the block. I'm a monster, watch bitch, better call the cops.
Welcome to the Hunger Games. You give up your whole life but get tons of fame. There's rappers who don't write but get companies that's making offers for souls for a chunk of change. I got more profits than those, y'all so dumb to chase. But they pop off on a song, but say you're punk today. Man, I got the Glock that I told me you tuck your chain. You see my pockets is Gordo, you try to be chased. I got a plot to take over the continent. While I'm overthinking all these bitches out here gossiping, I'ma take a flip, take a hit, something monstrous. Cause I really quit, but I think I've been boxing in all this bullshit. And I'm sick of the politics. I'ma show you it's really fixed, but it's obvious. All of these hoes really want to just party and molly and violence and bottles and popping and dropping and opposite. That is just me, I'm here taunting them. All they admire is knots and the guap and shit. Alternately, I think I'm gonna stop the gig. Talk to them, all bitches wearing this God-given Oculus. Earth is your confidence, I'm just some conscious shit. Trying to make all y'all get y'all bitches hearing my shit. But I'm not spitting any more lessons, man, do what you wish. I ain't gon' stress it, man, you finna get Little Miss Snow from 08 where I spit all about selling drugs and the things that I did. Cause I done sold tapes and I toured and I ripped all these stages from east to the west. And these kids and these magazine covers just don't give a shit. What the fuck you want product, I'll give you a